Bah! Bah!
Papa friend, yeah. He's so hilarious. All this. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. How are you guys doing? Happy Sunday and happy Father's Day, you guys. As you can see, I just woke up. Baby's still in bed because it's his day, and normally that he gets to sleep in some days whenever he feels like, because he's super tired on the weekends. But today is extra special. It's Father's Day, so I just want to say happy Father's Day to my amazing husband. I could never have asked for a better father for a child. He is so good at doing what he does with Tyler. And I just want to say happy Father's Day, my love. We love you, and we're gonna do what we do today to make you feel a little extra special on this day. All right, so happy Father's Day to my father. I love you, Daddy, and I missed you so much. Hope you have a wonderful day. I know you're not watching, but I know somebody might watch and tell you that, hey, Mel says happy Father's Day, I love you. And also happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there. You guys are not celebrated enough, especially the good ones. I know there's some reputations and some myths about fathers, but there are also good fathers out there. I think there's a few fathers who watches our channel, but I know there's two specific fathers that watch our channel every single day, and I want to give you guys a shout out. Sir Everett and Omar, happy Father's Day, you guys. Hopefully I got your name right. You guys don't miss a vlog. And this handsome one is here whining. What's wrong, baby? Up. Hey, say hello. He's been whining this morning. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? So happy Father's Day to Omar and Sir Everett. We appreciate you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys have an amazing Father's Day. On that note, your girl is about to jump in the kitchen to make what babe like for breakfast, and yeah, get his breakfast ready. If you guys know babe, then you guys would know that he super love pancakes and he loved bacon. So yesterday I went to the supermarket and I picked up bacon, and he was like, why are you picking up bacon? We haven't been picking up bacon because of we're trying to cut out certain things, but I pick up bacon for him, and I'm making him pancake, eggs and bacon, because that's his absolute favorite breakfast. It doesn't really matter where he is, he loves pancake, eggs and breakfast. So that's what I'm pancake, eggs and bacon. So that's what I'm making for him this morning. And since I'm on a roll today, I'm going to make babe his favorite Jamaican dinner, which is rice and peas. Rice and peas haven't cooked in my house for months, so here I have the peas about to put on the stove right now to get this peas start cooking. Alright, you guys, there you guys have it.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Mama?
Breakfast fit for a king. Ha 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 ha.
Mama?
King Ludo, ready for breakfast? Just wake up, he can't even open his eyes. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go in on this food right now. Finished breakfast. His breakfast for King is finished. And he's about to open his gift. I'm sure he's not expecting what he's about to get. No, don't pick the things up off the floor. No, Nana. I know you've been wanting this since forever, so I got you a nice stylish one. Dun 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 dun. I got him a bag for work. I know he's been wanting this. You like it? Sure you like it? I couldn't find any black, so I had to get the closest thing.
Okay.
You weren't expecting it?
No.
I know you weren't.
I say I'm happy and I say thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, baby. You guys, chicken is seasoned and is all ready for the oven right now. I'm on a roll this morning. Okay, you guys, so Father's Day dinner is officially ready even before midday. I told you guys that I was on a roll today. So that's the outcome of the oven jerk chicken. It looks so yummy. That's some salad over there. And the rice and peas is right here. Looking so good, and I'm sure baby's gonna enjoy that. So there you guys have dinner, and I'm just gonna hop out of the kitchen right now and get some more stuff done. Okay, you guys, so here is the end result of Father's Day special. Food is ready, and I am hungry. I am very hungry. You ready to eat?
I'm ready for it. Ready for dinner.
Up. My body is good. Say bye-bye. You guys, this handsome just got a shower. Hey, he knows he's ready for bed. So he's telling you guys bye from early. Bah! 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 Papa friend, yeah. He's so hilarious. All this. That hurts. I can't see. How am I going to see if you do that? I can't see. No. 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 No.
Gagner sa vie. Guère plus gros que le pouce à sa naissance, le dernier avait été appelé Petit Poucet. Ce pauvre enfant était le souffre-douleur. Et on va dire la fin demain, d'accord? Au revoir. Bonne nuit. À demain.
Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bisous à papa. Mouah. Mouah. Hi guys. So it's officially the end of the day. Officially the end of 2017 Father's Day. That have been a good day for me. Didn't really do anything special. That's what makes it a good day. My wife really take care of me, and I really appreciate it. So I want to wish a happy Father's Day to every fathers in this world, every father that watching us. I wish you happy Father's Day, and I hope you had a good day. Yeah, so here's my extra special one. She have made a very wonderful day. I thank you, honey, for that.
You're welcome. Guys, you can see my face. You know I'm tired, right? You know it was a long day when you see my face all swollen and my eyes all swollen and look like this. It was a long day and I'm super tired. We haven't give you guys any Jamaican expression today.
Happy Fathers.
In Jamaica, we would say Happy Father's Day. Not Happy Father's Day. We don't put it up like this. It's Happy Father's Day. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. Happy Father's Day to all the father them. It simply means Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. So Happy Father's Day to all the father them. That's a Jamaican expression. Say it.
Happy Father's Day.
No, not happy. Happy.
Happy
Father's
Father's
Day.
Day.
Not day. Dear.
Dear
To
to
all
the
fathers
fathers
them.
dead. So
Say no.
happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers there.
To all the fathers them.
All the fathers there.
Yes.
So the French expression, I won't be original today. The French expression for today will be Joyeuse Fête des Pères. Joyeuse Fête des Pères simply means Happy Father's Day in French. Say it.
Joyeuse fête des pères.
No. Joyeuse
Joyeuse
Fête
fête
des
des
Pères.
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 Père. You know it's a R. Don't pressure me.
So, yeah, Joyeuse
So what
Fête
did I
des
say
Pères.
wrong at first?
Peur.
You know I can't say the R
You
better.
feel the difference between the père and the peu.
No. Well, you hear it, but I can't do it any better.
So that was the difference. But you say it right. Joyeuse Fête des Pères.
Joyeuse fête des pères. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression. And your girl is tired, super tired, and I'm heading straight to bed. As you guys can see, I'm already in bed. So Thank you guys for watching, and happy Father's Day again to all the fathers out there, especially to the two main fathers that never miss a vlog, always comment, Mr. Everett and Mr. Omari. Thank you guys for always watching, and if there's any other father that always watches us and don't comment, well, we won't know because you guys don't comment, so I don't know who you guys are. But if you're watching, thank you guys for watching, and happy Father's Day. We appreciate every single one of you guys who step up to the plate and do what you're supposed to do and help the mommies out, and you know, play your father's role. So we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. My Father's Day special is over. It's officially the end of the day. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Really, babe? Really? You're so hilarious.
Thumbs up.